Hello children, welcome to back my channel. Today now teach English speaking course. Daily English speaking kids English
What do
speaking
you
course.
like to
Now
drink?
let's see.
I would like a cup of tea. Do you like music? Yes, I like music. What game do you play? I play cricket. I. You and me. The two of us. She. Both. Man. Child. Family. Our family. My family is here. I am here. You are here. She's here. We are here. Are you okay? They are all here. Grandfather. Grandmother, nanny. Father. Mother. Son. Daughter. Brothers. Sister. Uncle. Aunt. We are all a family. Family is not small. Big family. Good morning, hello. You. Early morning. Thanks. Welcome. A lot of thanks. Good. Sorry. Never mind. Bye. Tomorrow. Reference. I. He is. She is. That. Us. Them. Classmates. At noon. Afternoon. Night. Yes, right. Extremely. Happy. Which? Country. People. What? Name. What is your name? Cast family name. Excuse me.
अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।